Hello, everyone. If you're looking for the best mirrorless camera, you've landed in the perfect spot. We've done the research to bring you the best mirrorless camera options for this year, considering price, performance, and usage scenarios. Stay tuned to find the best mirrorless camera that matches your needs. Don't forget to check out the description box below for product links featuring the best deals available. Our list is in no particular order, so be sure to stay tuned till the end. Let's dive right in and get started. The first on the list is the Nikon Z5 Mark II. The Nikon Z5 Mark II is a well-rounded, full-frame mirrorless camera that combines portability with professional-level features. Weighing just 1.54 pounds, it houses a 24.5-megapixel BSI CMOS FX format sensor, paired with the powerful X-Speed 7 processor. This setup enables high-speed shooting up to 30 FPS, along with improved low-light capabilities thanks to autofocus down to -10 EV. The upgraded electronic viewfinder offers 3,000 nits of brightness, creating a more immersive and sharp viewing experience, ideal for users transitioning from DSLR. In terms of photography, the Z5 Mark II delivers exceptional image clarity even in challenging lighting conditions. The intelligent autofocus system recognizes and tracks up to 9 types of subjects, including people, animals, and vehicles, ensuring accuracy in action or portrait shots. For videographers, the camera supports 4K 60 FPS video, 12-bit in-RAW internal recording, and 5x slow-motion capture. With features like skin softening, portrait impression balance, and pre-release capture, it enhances both image aesthetics and timing precision. Professional-grade options like N-Log and LUT support also offer flexibility for cinematic workflows, making this camera suitable for both amateur and advanced creators. While the Nikon Z5 Mark II excels in many areas, one notable drawback is that 4K video at 60 FPS still comes with a crop, limiting wide-angle capabilities for serious videographers. However, with its versatile autofocus, superior low-light handling, built-in cloud features, and customizable color presets, it remains a fantastic choice for anyone looking to elevate their photography or video production. At number 2, we have the Sony Alpha ZV-E10 Mark II. The Sony Alpha ZV-E10 Mark II is a powerful mirrorless camera crafted for content creators seeking professional quality in a compact form. Built around a 26-megapixel Exmor RCMOS sensor, it delivers significantly better image clarity than smartphones or compact cameras. With interchangeable lens support, users can switch from wide-angle to telephoto with Sony's E-mount lens ecosystem, offering unmatched creative flexibility. The camera body is lightweight yet packed with professional features, making it ideal for vloggers, streamers, and on-the-go shooters. This camera boasts advanced features tailored to modern creators. The Beyond's XR processor enables high-speed data readout, resulting in crisp 4K 60 FPS footage oversampled from 5.6K. For photographers, it supports continuous shooting at up to 11 FPS with full tracking. Real-time IAF and real-time tracking ensure subjects stay sharp, whether it's a moving pet or a human subject. Advanced audio is handled by a built-in 3-capsule microphone with directional settings, enhanced further by a windscreen for outdoor clarity. The Creative Look presets and S-Log 3 Gamma provide extensive post-processing options, while the Vari-Angle touchscreen simplifies vertical video and intuitive touch control for quick adjustments during shoots. In summary, the Sony Alpha ZV-E10 Mark II blends portability, performance, and versatility into one impressive package. It's a well-rounded camera for creators who want cinematic video, vibrant stills, and reliable autofocus, all in a user-friendly design. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced videographer, this camera is a smart investment for high-quality, creative content creation. At number 3, we have the Canon EOS R50V. The Canon EOS R50V is a powerful and compact mirrorless camera built for today's content creators. It features a 24.2-megapixel CMOS sensor and Digic-X processor, offering crisp stills and stunning 4K video. The included RFS 14 to 30mm lens provides a wide focal range, making it ideal for vlogging, landscape shots, and general video use. With support for slow and fast video modes, it lets users explore different frame rates and playback speeds for cinematic results. Designed with creators in mind, the EOS R50V sports a redesigned interface, dual tripod mounts, and 2 record buttons for added flexibility. The powered zoom lever enables smooth lens transitions, while the 3-microphone array captures clean audio. Its autofocus system is enhanced with dual-pixel CMOS AF2, offering accurate subject detection for people, animals, and vehicles. In terms of connectivity, the EOS R50V is well equipped with dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, USB-C webcam support, and clean HDMI out. It even allows wireless live streaming via Canon's mobile apps. However, one limitation is the slow aperture range of the included kit lens, which may impact low-light performance and depth of field flexibility. Despite this, the Canon EOS R50V stands out as a versatile and creator-friendly camera, highly recommended for vloggers, streamers, and content producers looking to upgrade their setup. At number 4, we have the Panasonic Lumix S1R Mark II. The Panasonic Lumix S1R Mark II is a hybrid full-frame mirrorless camera that delivers exceptional performance for both photography and videography. Its newly developed 44.3 megapixel sensor brings out lifelike detail in every shot, whether capturing expansive landscapes or intricate artwork. This high-resolution sensor, combined with handheld high-resolution mode, gives creators a powerful edge for on-the-go shooting. The camera also excels in burst shooting with AFC 40 FPS, making it highly suitable for fast-moving subjects like sports or wildlife. Videographers will appreciate the S1R Mark II's groundbreaking 8K video capabilities. It supports wide dynamic range log recording, ensuring that both highlights and shadows are rich with detail. Cinematic slow-motion video is also possible, adding another creative tool to the user's kit. Robust features such as false color, the Lumix Flow app, and support for professional 32-bit float audio make it production-ready out of the box. The Phase Hybrid AF system with AI enhances subject tracking, even in dynamic scenes with multiple people in motion. With advanced image stabilization, dual card slots, extended zoom capabilities, and a durable body designed for extreme environments, the Lumix S1R Mark II is a complete tool for serious creators. This camera is a powerful choice for professionals and enthusiasts alike who want to capture the world in unparalleled clarity and depth. Coming up next, we have the Sony A7C Mark II. The Sony A7C Mark II combines compact design with full-frame performance, making it a great choice for both enthusiasts and professionals. It features a 33-megapixel Exmor RC-MO sensor that delivers exceptional detail and low-light performance. The Beyond's XR processor ensures natural color, smooth gradation, and fast responsiveness, which is ideal for both stills and videos. Thanks to its wide ISO range and minimal noise, users can shoot in various lighting conditions with confidence. Videographers will appreciate the 4K recording with full pixel readout and no pixel binning, ensuring rich and sharp video quality. With 10-bit color depth and S-Cinetone color science, this camera produces cinematic footage straight out of the box. Its dedicated AI processor enhances subject recognition and tracking, delivering accurate autofocus performance even during fast action. Additionally, the 5-axis optical image stabilization provides up to 7 stops of shake reduction, making handheld shooting smoother than ever. Despite its impressive capabilities, the A7C Mark II's compact body includes a rather undersized electronic viewfinder, which may feel limiting for some photographers, especially when composing detailed shots. However, considering its outstanding imaging performance, video quality, and lightweight form factor, the Sony A7C Mark II remains a solid and versatile option for creators looking to elevate their content. The last one on our list is the Canon EOS R5 Mark II. The Canon EOS R5 Mark II delivers a significant upgrade for photographers and filmmakers seeking high performance in a mirrorless camera. With its newly developed 45-megapixel full-frame, back-illuminated stacked CMOS sensor, it offers superior image quality and rapid readout speeds. The result is impressive 30 FPS continuous shooting using the electronic shutter, perfect for capturing fast-moving subjects with stunning clarity and detail. Built-in 5-axis sensor shift image stabilization enhances sharpness, even during handheld shooting. This camera isn't just about stills, its video capabilities are just as compelling. The EOS R5 Mark II supports internal 8K recording at up to 60 FPS, making it an excellent option for cinematic production. The updated video menu now includes Cinema EOS terminology, allowing seamless integration with professional Canon cinema gear like the EOS C70. Its Digic-X processor, paired with the new Digic Accelerator chip, ensures smooth operation and rapid processing across the board. Dual CF Express card slots also provide robust support for high bitrate recording and burst shooting. The autofocus system has been refined to a new level. Eye control, focus, and action priority AF enable the camera to track subjects even when obscured briefly. This makes it an ideal companion for action, wildlife, and sports photography. With powerful new features, a durable build, and professional-grade performance, the Canon EOS R50V Mark II is a highly recommended tool for demanding creators. You got it. So that's it for the best mirrorless camera on the market for this year. Like, comment, and subscribe to receive notifications about our latest videos.